Are you a supplement business owner or influencer channel owner, looking to expand your product line? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore two popular strategies for supplement businesses: private label and white label. Private label refers to a strategy where you work with a manufacturer who creates a product exclusively for your brand. You have control over the product formula, ingredients, and packaging design. It allows you to build a unique brand identity and establish your own reputation in the market. On the other hand, white label involves partnering with a manufacturer who already has a generic supplement formula. You can sell their product under your brand name, with your logo and packaging design. This strategy allows you to enter the market quickly and at a lower cost. So, which strategy works better for your supplement business? Well, it depends on your goals and resources. If you want full control over your product and brand, private label is the way to go. You can tailor the product to meet your target audience's needs and create a premium brand image. However, it requires more investment and time for research, development, and marketing. On the other hand, if you want to test the market or have limited resources, white label might be the better option. It allows you to start selling supplements quickly without the need for extensive product development. However, keep in mind that you won't have full control over the formula and your product may be similar to others in the market. In conclusion, both private label and white label strategies have their advantages and disadvantages. It's crucial to consider your goals, budget, and target audience when choosing the right strategy for your supplement business. Thanks for watching this comprehensive comparison of private label and white label strategies for your supplement business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. And please leave any questions about today's topic by leaving a comment below.